Here is the story behind animal-assisted therapy. Today we're going to talk about what it is, how it came to be, and how it works. Animal-assisted therapy is a complementary medicine, meaning it is used alongside other forms of treatment. A typical therapy session involves 10 to 15 minutes of petting and playtime. Animal therapy has been around for a long time. Sigmund Freud, the founder of psychoanalysis, used his own dog, Jofi, with his patients, and noticed that his dog's presence enhanced the patient's therapy session. Before this even, in ancient Greece, horses were used to lift the spirits of the ill and the injured. Some of the many benefits of animal-assisted therapy include reduced pain and stress, mood enhancement, and decreased blood pressure and heart rate. These are due to the changes in levels of hormones within the patient's body. Hormones that are increasing due to a therapy session include beta-endorphin, which reduces pain, and oxytocin, which is responsible for social bonding, and lastly dopamine, which enhances your mood. Decreasing ones include cortisol, which results in stress relief.
Hi, Niamh.
Hey Lindsay, what's up? Hey Riley. So I have a question for you, Lindsay. How has Riley impacted your overall health and well-being?
Riley's brought a lot of joy and love into our home, and she's encouraged a healthy lifestyle because she needs a lot of exercise.
Yeah, that makes sense. So have you noticed any overall health benefits just having Riley around in general?
Yeah, I've actually found that I found a study that shows that pet owners have a lot less stress, and I found this to be true with Riley and I.
Alright, so why did you end up getting Riley? Was there any particular reason?
So my parents and I never planned on getting another dog until they retired. But when I got sick, my parents thought it would be a good idea for me to have some company at home. So she was sort of my animal therapy.
So do you think that Riley would be a good therapy dog for other people that are going through other sorts of treatments? Like, do you think she would be well suited for that?
No, she's way too excited. I think she loves people too much and gets way too excited, so I don't think that she would be a very good dog for animal therapy. But her cousin Tony is a pretty good animal therapist.
This is Riley's cousin Tony, and he is an animal therapist. He works at Kelowna General Hospital. Tony loves people and is always very attentive. He is a bright light that gets people smiling. Sometimes Tony gets called in for a special request. The woman that wrote Tony a letter had been in the hospital for a couple of weeks. She had asked if a dog could come and see her. This woman loves dogs and takes in troubled dogs that can't be adopted out. She was very happy to see Tony, and Tony was very happy to see her. Canine-assisted therapy has also been used for veterans who experience post-traumatic stress disorder. Dogs help veterans who are feeling isolated get out in public again. This service dog, Annika, saved his owner's life by helping him be around people again. He had served in the Marines for 2 years.
And I know his life was saved by being pulled out of that shelter. Since both of us have gone through trauma, we actually bond even closer. And I know what his triggers are, and I try to protect him, and he knows what my triggers are, and he protects me.
No one goes to war and comes back unscathed. 1,486 former military ended their lives from 1976 to 2012. 1/3 of these suicides after 2002 was when Canada was entrenched in the Afghanistan war.
Unfortunately, 13 years of combat has put some people in some really, really low places.
See if you can do it without pushing on him. Use your hat again. There you go. That's it. You got it. He just heard you. He's looking for direction.
Horses have a positive impact on humans. They are sensitive and react to body language, and this helps participants to understand how their actions affect others.